Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in your Shopify store. So let's begin. Once you are in your Shopify and you're on your home page, the first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Now, once you click Settings, you will see this page here, and you need to just click Payments right here. Once you click the payments, you will see all the different payment methods that you can add to your Shopify store. Now let's go through them one by one. First, you can activate Shopify payments. However, if you don't want to use that and you want to use another one, you can simply click See All Other Providers. Here, you will see all the different providers that are integrated with Shopify. Choose the one that works for you. Now, alternatively, there's a second payment method, which is PayPal, one of the most popular payment methods on the internet. You can add your payment method right here. Just click this button and you will be able to connect your PayPal accounts. So this is how you add a payment method in your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.